Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to open a bookmark in a new tab using Google Chrome on your PC. This feature is particularly useful for keeping your current page open while accessing your saved links. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you're using the latest version to access all the updated features and improvements. Once you have Chrome up and running, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the window. This is the menu icon that gives you access to various options. Next, click on the three dots. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing several options related to settings and tools. From this menu, navigate to the section labeled Bookmarks and Lists. Hover over this option to reveal more choices. Now, select Show All Bookmarks. This will open a new tab displaying all your saved bookmarks in an organized manner. Here, you can easily browse through your bookmarks to find what you need. Once you've located the bookmark you want to open, it's time to proceed. Right-click on the bookmark. A context menu will pop up with several options related to that specific bookmark. Among these options, you will see one that says Open in New Tab. Finally, click on Open in New Tab. This action will instantly open your selected bookmark in a new tab while keeping your original page intact. It's a simple yet effective way to manage multiple pages without losing your current work. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can efficiently open bookmarks in new tabs on Google Chrome. This method not only saves time, but also enhances your browsing experience by allowing you to multitask seamlessly. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing!